What's up, my name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Anybody, Burna Boy. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of A, and the progression, well, there are two progressions that are in the song, and there's this intro progression. When you listen to the intro, you will hear this progression, which is 6 2 6 2, and then also you will hear 6 2 3. So this other progression is 6 2 3 2 6 2 3 2, where he's singing anybody na 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 na. So the chords are okay, let me call these two parts the main intro. I mean the intro progression and then the main progression. So the intro progression is 6 2, and this is F sharp minor chord and B minor chord. And then the other intro, I mean the main progression will be F sharp minor chord, B minor, C sharp minor chord, B minor chord. 6 2 3 2 6 2 3 2. So on how to hold this chord, the F sharp minor chord I am barring with my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger string number 5 on the 4th fret, my small finger string number 4 on the 4th fret too. So this is F sharp minor chord, F sharp minor chord, followed by B minor chord. So B minor I am barring with my pointer finger, barring string 1 to 5, and then with my middle finger string number 2 on the 3rd fret, and my ring finger string number 4, 4th fret, and my small finger string number 3, but on the 4th fret. So this chord here is a B minor chord. The other chord is the 2 chord. So this not the 2 chord but the 3 chord is C sharp minor chord. So C sharp minor chord, my pointer finger barring on fret number 4 with my pointer finger, my middle finger string number 2 on the 5th fret, and then my ring finger string number 4 on the 7th fret, not the 7th fret but the 6th fret, and my small finger on the 6th fret, string number 3. So this C sharp minor. So those are the chords that are in this song. So well, the rhythm is So I suggest that you listen to the song and then listen for those parts where there's that part of 6 2, and then there's that other part.